this 4-in-1 pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled, pre-cut wig for my girls who is on the go and just don't have the time to do the whole shebang. I'm going to apply the hairspray directly to the lace, trying my best not to apply it on the actual hair because I don't want my hair to be crunchy. And proceed to the next step, which is your parting. So I'm going to be doing a middle part with this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and press out the hairline on this wig and get this wig to be on the flat side. Look at how beautiful the hairline on this wig is and how flat and smooth the wig looks like. And then I'm going to use a paddle brush to basically define the curls. So as y'all can see, the hair definitely curls pretty good. The Jerry Curl Activator works good with this curly hair texture as well.